Punctuation is an essential aspect of written English. It helps to clarify the meaning and structure of sentences, making them easier to understand and more effective in conveying your message. Proper punctuation can also improve your score in English proficiency tests like IELTS and PTE, where correct punctuation usage is a crucial factor in your overall score. In this lecture, we will cover the different types of punctuation marks, their usage, and some common mistakes to avoid. Types of punctuation marks. Period, full stop. It indicates the end of a sentence. For example, I am going to the store. Comma, it is used to separate items in a list, clauses in a sentence, or to indicate a pause. For example, I like to eat apples, bananas, and oranges. Colon, it is used to introduce a list or an explanation. For example, there are 3 things I love: pizza, movies, and spending time with my family. Semicolon, it is used to separate 2 independent clauses in a sentence. For example, I love to read. It's one of my favorite hobbies. Exclamation mark. It is used to indicate strong emotion or emphasis. For example, I can't believe I won the race. Question mark. It is used to indicate a question. For example, what time is the meeting? Quotation marks. They are used to indicate direct speech or a quote. For example, the teacher said, "Good job, everyone." Usage of punctuation marks. Period, full stop. Use it at the end of a sentence to indicate a complete thought. Comma. Use it to separate items in a list, clauses in a sentence, or to indicate a pause. Example 1. I need to buy milk, bread, and eggs from the store. Example 2. After I finish my homework, I'm going to watch TV. Colon. Use it to introduce a list or an explanation. Example 1. I have 3 favorite TV shows: Game of Thrones, Stranger Things, and Breaking Bad. Example 2. The recipe requires the following ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, and eggs. Semicolon. Use it to separate 2 independent clauses in a sentence. Example 1. I have a big test tomorrow. I need to study tonight. Example 2. She loves to travel. She has been to over 10 different countries. Exclamation mark. Use it to indicate strong emotion or emphasis. Example 1. I can't believe I got an A on the exam. Example 2. What a beautiful sunset. Question mark. Use it to indicate a question. Example 1. How are you doing today? Example 2. What is your favorite color? Quotation marks. Use them to indicate direct speech or a quote. Example 1. She said, I can't believe it's already March. Example 2. The article stated, the economy is expected to grow by 3% this year. In the next video, we will be discussing about the common punctuation errors and how to avoid them.